This intro right here is a PSA for the Gremlins Supreme collaboration. There are 3 rules that you guys are going to have to pay attention to if you want to buy anything from this collection.
You're kidding.
Rule 1, never get them wet. As musky and as nasty as they smell, don't wash them off. Number 2, never feed them after midnight. The little bastards are tricky, and they're gonna try to get chicken after midnight. Somehow they understand time zones, so midnight is the key. And number 3, keep them away from microwaves.
I feel like I'm chosen, I'm covered in gold.
Welcome back, friends, to another edition of Fauntleroy's Finest, and we are here talking about Supreme's Week 5 from Fall/Winter 22.
Daddy, chill.
This week we are getting one of the collaborations that I've been looking forward to since the lookbook came out, and that is the Gremlins collaboration. There are a couple of items that I remember from the lookbook that I definitely want to pick up for myself, and I have to assume there's going to be a few pieces that we haven't seen yet. Plus, we did get a few other leaks so far for some other items that we'll be releasing as well. And also, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I will be doing some giveaways on the live streams on Wednesdays, so if you want to make sure that you are not missing out on those, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and why not just join the Discord, because if you're in there, you know everything.
Everything?
You gotta check out Offset here, though, in the full Yamamoto Vance Fit. My man jumped off stage right onto a motocross circuit event. Alright folks, let's talk about what's coming out this week for Supreme. We only have a couple of leaks so far, but these are very nice leaks.
High five.
First leak here is that we will be getting this pin from the Gons collaboration that was done earlier. You know, the balloon car salesman Jesus that he did. Hey, if you're buying something on Supreme's site and they have a pin there, why not just throw it in? You never know how those things do. I'm pretty sure this one wouldn't do amazing or anything, but again, it's a cool piece. It might have looked better like as a pendant, to be honest with you, but I like it better on a pin than on that jacket for sure. So apparently those are coming out this week, and I would assume they're like 15, 20 bucks.
Assumption is the mother of all fuck-ups.
And next up, we do have confirmation that the Supreme Iraq collaboration will be coming out this Thursday. Looks like it's gonna have a hoodie, some sweatpants, a t-shirt, a trucker hat, a very busy balaclava, and probably the only item that I really like on this collaboration are the gloves. I'm not 100% sure if that graphic is actually what the t-shirt will look like. If it does, it's not a bad t-shirt, and it should come in multiple colorways as well. And those black trucker hats might be something to take a look at too. But you never know till you get the retail. And then finally, we are getting the much anticipated Gremlins collaboration.
My time is now. It's the franchise where I'm shining now.
I told him not to let him in the movie theater. The lookbook showed us 3 different pieces from this Gremlin collaboration, first of which is this hoodie from the movie scene. It is a decent hoodie. I probably would not be focusing on the hoodies from this collaboration for resale. I would assume that this is going to be like $188. Hopefully it's cheaper.
And may the odds be ever in your favor.
And then we are going to get 2 different decks. One is with the original Gremlin, Mr. Mogwai, and the second deck features the girl Gremlin. I believe her name is Greta Gremlin. Yeah, part 2 really wasn't that good of a movie, but it did give us the perfect pinup model for this Supreme deck. I probably would stick with the OG Gremlins myself, but I think both decks are pretty neat. And then finally, we're getting a hockey jersey. Now, I'm really into this hockey jersey. I think I'm gonna have to definitely pick one up. 2 different colorways, but both are completely unique pieces. The black and green one has stripe on the front of it, and he's smiling so happy. It looks like he just sent a tractor through someone's living room. And then the white and red one has the cute little Mogwai on it. Of course he's not eating after midnight. Of course he's not getting wet. And damn gummit, he's staying out of the sunlight. He's the good one. I think both of these jerseys are pretty cool. I would have to probably lean towards the black one, I guess, for resale. But if I'm buying this for the personal, I'm kind of leaning towards the Gizmo one. My hopes for this collaboration is that we get a t-shirt with Rambo Gizmo on it. So please, Jebbia, make it so.
Please. Help.
And as I'm editing this, they did add a few more items to the drop list. I will go over all these items when we have retails on my next video. And if this video did not give you all the Fauntleroy that you need today, well then you should check out these videos right here.
Drip, go woo on a bitch. 5790, spit the coupe on my wrist.